Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we will learn some important points related to the lesson National Movement in India, Partition and Independence 1939 to 1947 from the 10th class Social Studies textbook. When the Second World War started in 1939, most of the provinces of India were governed by Congress ministries. The British Parliament passed the Government of India Act in 1935. The right to vote was given to a small section of the population, only about 12% for provincial assemblies and about 1% for the Central Assembly. When elections were held in the assemblies of the 11 provinces of British India in 1937, Congress won in most provinces. 8 out of 11 provinces had a Congress Prime Minister working under the supervision of a British governor. In 1940 and 1941, the Congress organized a series of individual satyagrahas. The Congress was upset that the British refused to promise freedom to India and decided to walk out of the provincial governments. All the Congress ministries who had come to power in 1937 resigned in October 1939. The Muslim League. Muslim League was formed in 1906. The Congress had accepted this logic and separate electorates were implemented from 1909. When provincial governments were elected in 1937, the League won 1 or 2 of the 482 Muslim seats in the country. The Congress won 26 out of the 58 Muslim seats it had contested. In 1937, the Muslim League got only 4.4% of the total Muslim votes in the elections. In 1946, when elections were held again for the provincial and central assemblies, the League succeeded in winning the Muslim seats. The Hindu Mahasabha and the RSS. The Hindu Mahasabha and the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh organizations wished to unite all the Hindus and overcome the divisions of caste and sect to reform their social life. The Pakistan Resolution. The Urdu poet Muhammad Iqbal, the writer of the song Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara, spoke of a need for a Northwest Indian Muslim state in his presidential address to the Muslim League in 1930. The name Pakistan or Pakistan was coined by a Punjabi Muslim student at Cambridge, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. This young student wrote pamphlets between 1933 and 1935. When British started following the policy of divide and rule and Congress failed to address the fears of Muslims. On 23rd March 1940, the Muslim League moved a resolution and demanded autonomy for the parts of the subcontinent where Muslims were in majority. It became known as the Pakistan Resolution. Emir Jinnah was the leader of the Muslim League. By 1941, Japan had started expanding into Southeast Asia. In March 1942, Prime Minister Churchill was persuaded to send one of his ministers, Sir Stafford Cripps, to India to try and make a compromise with Gandhi and the Congress. After the failure of the Cripps mission, Mahatma Gandhi decided to launch his third major movement, Quit India movement. This was began in August 1942. Socialist members of the Congress such as Jayaprakash Narayan were particularly active in the underground resistance movement. In several districts such as Satara in the west and Medinipur in the east, independent governments were declared. The initial victories of Japan against the Americans and Europeans created a strong impression on the people in India. Subhash Chandra Bose went to Germany and Japan and collected an army of Indian soldiers in 1942. In the beginning, these Indian soldiers were in the British Army. They had been captured by the Japanese when the British were defeated in Burma and Malaya. Bose recruited them in his army, which he called the Indian National Army. Gandhi felt that the Japanese cannot be the liberators of India. Subhash Chandra Bose continued in his chosen path and led an army of Indian soldiers to fight along with the Imperial Army of Japan against the British for almost 3 years. Russia stopped the Nazi forces with the victory in Stalingrad. The Allied powers regained control and eventually won the Second World War. Subhash Chandra Bose INA was defeated by the British Army. The popular upsurge 1946 to 48. On 18th February 1946, the Guards or ratings of the Royal Indian Navy in Bombay Harbour went on hunger strike to protest against bad food and behavior of their British officers. A Naval Central Strike Committee was elected with M.S. Khan as its head. 78 ships, 20 shore establishments, and 20,000 ratings took part in the strike. An agitation was started in Bengal by small and poor peasants who took land of the bigger landlords to cultivate. They demanded that their share of harvest should be increased to two portions out of three instead of half or even less. This was eventually given to them at the time. This was called the Tebaga movement and was led by the provincial Kisan Sabha. In Hyderabad, the Communist Party led a massive movement of farmers of the Telangana region. The Telangana farmers opposed the large land owners and demanded that debts of farmers be cancelled. They also demanded that bonded labor should be stopped and land be distributed to those who worked on it. The peasants took up arms to fight against the rulers and their armies. Almost 3,000 villages were part of the movement. Another armed revolt of peasants took place in Travancore in Punnapra Vayalar. Muslim League and Congress negotiation for transfer of power. In 1946, elections were held for the provincial governments. The Muslim League won all 30 reserved constituencies in the centre and 442 out of 509 seats in the provinces. The League was able to establish itself as the dominant party among Muslim voters only around 1946. The Muslim League wanted to represent itself as the sole spokesperson of India's Muslims. It had got more than 86% of the Muslim votes. In 1946, the Congress swept the general constituencies, capturing over 91% of the non-Muslim vote. A possible alternative to partition. In March 1946, the British cabinet sent a three-member mission team to Delhi to examine the demand made by the League and suggest a suitable political framework for Indian freedom. The Muslim League decided on direct action to win its demand for Pakistan and announced 16th August 1946 as Direct Action Day. The Congress agreed for dividing the Punjab into two halves in March 1947. In February 1947, Mountbatten replaced Wavell and became the Viceroy. The formal transfer of power from British government to Pakistan would be done on 14th and to India it would be done on the 15th of August 1947. Partition and migrations. A Muslim nation, Pakistan, was created a painful and unimaginable situation arose for many people. Around 1.5 crore people, both Hindus and Muslims, were displaced. At the initiative of Gandhi and Nehru, Congress now passed a resolution on the rights of minorities. Assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. On 30th January 1948, Gandhi was shot by Nathuram Godse with 3 bullets while going for his all-religion prayer meeting. He was once a member of Hindu Mahasabha, and because of his actions, many became against this organization. Consequently, on 14th February 1948, All India Hindu Mahasabha decided to suspend its political work and concentrate on real organizational work instead. Integration of states. There were around 550 princely states in India. In Travancore and Hyderabad, peasants were revolting with arms against the ruling zamindars. Sardar Patel was given charge of this matter in July 1947. By 15th August 1947, all states except Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh had agreed to sign the Instrument of Accession with India. These 3 states were also made to join in the next 2 years. In 1971, the Government of India abolished the privy purses and titles used by the former princely families. The modern India came into being. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.